I'm a talking joke dog. I've got some great jokes for you off World Explorers. How do you know when the moon has enough to eat? When it's full. Hee. What do you call an alien spacecraft that drips water? A crying saucer. Why would people not like a restaurant on this planet? Because there is no atmosphere. Do you know what the difference between a bicycle and an astronaut? A bicycle is an object and an astronaut is a human being. What's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Dying alone on a desolate planet.